awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. Yeah, it's got a lot to do with having to finish what I start. And at any second now I think it all might fall apart. Cause there's a god awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh. There's a devil in my brain with a pitchfork and a flame. Yeah, he likes to poke around and he likes to tell me things. And whenever I begin to feel like I might be deranged, I remember there's a little shitty devil in my brain. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh. Type who doesn't burn. Yeah, the kind who fights the good fight, not the kind you'll find fist of fucking cuffing in the dirt. There's a god-awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. And I can't seem to change my attitude, but I can change my shirt. Cause you know how actually at times that can be a good start. But not today, there's still a god-awful shitty feeling of dread in my heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. In my heart. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah.